So where do you live and stuff?
Well, where do you live, for instance?
Where do you live?
244 Traction.
Where do you live?
Okay, so if you're not a hobo, where do you live?
Well, great. Where do you live, Noelle?
Why, where do you live?
In the house.
Where do you want to meet? Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Where do you live?
With you.
Where do you live?
I can tell you that.
I'm not telling you. Yeah? Where do you live?
Where do you live? Caleb.
That's good. That's good. Where do you live now?
Where do you live?
244 Traction.
Where do you live?
Here you go. Where do you live?
Where do you live, Anna?
Where do you live?
Where you live, Nicole?
Where do you live?
So where do you live?